formula of the harmonic mean is Hm is equal to sample size, that means n divided by the reciprocal of the observation. This means divided by summation 1 over x. This is the simple formula which we use for the data. I will give the link in the description. You must have to watch that lecture too. But here the nature of the data is quite different. That is the group type of data. This means that we can see two limit in the classes, the upper limit and the lower limit, and there is a gap which is mostly the class interval between the two limits. So this means this is a group type of data. In this case, the formula of the harmonic mean is quite different, and that's Hm is equal to summation f divided by summation f over x. So first of all, we have to find x. For that purpose, we will add and the upper limit and lower limit, and we'll divide it by 2. The lower limit value is 33 and the upper value is 40. Similarly, in the second class, the lower limit is 41 and the upper value is 50, so on. So this means that we have to first of all find the values of x, and then we have to move to onward. X can be calculated. This is very simple. I just want to briefly explain it. Adding the upper value, upper limit and the lower limit of the class. The first class, if we discuss about that, so the upper value is 40 and the lower value is 33. So we have to add the 2 and divide it by 2. So this is simple, and we have to follow this procedure. After following the procedure, we derive different values of x, which can be seen in the third column. The derivation is the same, to add the upper limit and the lower limit of the class and divide it by 2, and the calculated value becomes 36.5. Similarly, we have to calculate the value from the second class, that is adding the 41 plus 50 and dividing it by 2 gives us 45.5. About the third class and the fourth class as well of the fifth class, and so on. So this means that by applying the same procedure, we can calculate the values of x as well. If we calculate the values of the fourth column f divided by x, so this is really simple. Dividing frequency by the x derived values, that means 28 divided by 36.5, and if we divide 28 by yes, I think this is so this is the calculated value, and if you divide 28 by, this is correct, 36.5, so this gives us the value 0.7671. I am confused about the value of the first class 0.76. Anyhow, we have to check right here. So this means 28 divided by 36.5. So this is correct. So this means that the calculated value of f divided by x is 0.767123. This is the value which we derived from here. Similarly, the value of f divided by x of the second class can be derived, and that is 0.681319, and by dividing 31 by 44.5, and the same for the third class, dividing 12 by 55.5, and so on. We derive the values of the first class, second class, and third class f divided by x values like here. Lastly, we need to calculate the value of summation f divided by x. For that purpose, we will add all the values in the last column, and the summation f and divided by x over x value is 1.87055 and 6, which can be seen in the end. Summation f means n means summation f, and summation f value can be derived by adding all the values in the second column. That means 28, 31, 12, 9, 5, and that gives us 85. Now simply we have to use the formula of the harmonic mean for the frequency distribution, and instead of n we have to write summation f, because n and summation f both are the same. Divide by summation f divided by x. Now this is really simple, very easy, because we just have to put the value of summation f, which is 85, and the value of summation f x, summation f over x, and that is 1.870556. So simply we have to divide 85 by 1.87 and the calculated value is 45.441. This is